I bought the tiniest kitchen and all the essential miniature utensils and accessories, and today I'm cooking in it. I'm preparing a feast for ants. Yeah, then I go feed them ants. I can't, you guys. Everything is just so adorable. How I'm going to cook in this pan, I need a magnifying glass just to see it. This little kitchen, along with its mini utensils, come with rather large price tag. It was a little expensive. But anyways, have you ever seen a kitchen with no walls? It's like a sandwich with no bread. My kitchen walls are not a car. I don't know why I'm crash testing them. They look sturdy. Yeah. Besides the glass bowl, the tiny measuring cups and the dish sponges and the iron pan and my sad chopped nail, I also got a set of forks and knives and spoons. And just to give you an idea of how tiny they are, here is a banana for scale. Why don't you try stabbing that banana with the tiny fork and see what happens? That's exactly what I was thinking. I'm surprised it only took me 1 minute and 3 seconds to break something. That's a new record. In the kitchen we have an absorber, a sink. Is that a wardrobe? I don't know. I was hoping for a fridge, but okay. Oh, and this is the oven. This is our centerpiece, even though it's not really in the center. But this is where magic and tragedy happens. Oh, I almost forgot to tell you the best part. Our tiny kitchen is fully functional. We've got a light. And we have a working sink. Yeah, water is coming out of it. I'm losing my mind right now. Yeah, I find this very, very fascinating. It's fascinating. Okay, I'm gonna stop. Yeah, cool. But have you seen a functional kitchen with no fridge? Yeah, me neither. I got a fridge. But something is not right, because it seems like the size is a little off. I don't know, I have a feeling that my tiny fridge is too tiny for my tiny kitchen. How is that even possible? I'm gonna slam the door of the fridge now, because I'm angry. Okay, it didn't quite work. Now I'm more angry. There you go. And plus, there is no space for my fridge, okay? I don't know where to put it. It doesn't fit in. It feels isolated. But that's what makes it cool. Oh my god, this thing, guys, this thing is dangerous. I thought I was buying a dollhouse kind of knife, you know, very cute, very adorable, but this thing is sharp. Let me show you on the banana, okay? This is a tiny assassin weapon. Don't make a joke about the size. Don't make a joke about the size. Don't make a joke about the size. No, Danny, no. No, don't. No. Well, maybe they were right when they said size doesn't matter. Oh, I did it anyways. Time for cooking. Alright, let's check out. Oh my god, look at my eyes. I promise I come here with peace. I'm friendly. I don't think that I should be wearing this. First thing on the menu today, we have eggs. We're gonna be cooking eggs in our extra small kitchen. It's not breaking. Okay, it cracked. Oh my god. Oh, this got a little out of hand. I'm so not made for this. That's about enough. Oh, no. Danny, is everything okay there? Yep, you sure? Stop. Well, that bowl is way smaller than I expected. Or the egg is way bigger than I expected. I expect the unexpected. Okay, I'm gonna put a little bit of my egg whites in this tiny little bowl. I need a utensil. I found this tiny ladle. It's very, very adorable, but it's also very, very useless. I had to swap it for something that looks like a pan to get the job done. What can I say? Tiny tools, big challenges. This is what will turn into an omelette. This is my tiny fork. I got 2 forks in the set, but the one was defeated by a banana. Try not to break this one. This is like regular cooking, but everything is in heart mode. I don't want to make you nervous, but it looks like you're gonna need a magnifying glass to season that. Yeah, talking about seasoning, can I ask you for a small favor? I'm gonna need a grain of salt to season this. Even the favors you asked, they are tiny. I like that. There you go. Okay, why you gotta be so mean? Oh my god, Danny! Now you're just trolling me. Never. This salt mountain is the size of my omelette. I'm gonna need a spoon. I'm just gonna take a little bit of salt and put it in here. That's probably way too much. Let me light up the candles. I'm always this close to burning my kitchen down. It's gonna be a lot easier to set this tiny one on fire, I think. This is some butter. Oh my god, it's burning already. Ow, wow. It's hot. Okay, I got my butter in here. I think it's time for the eggs to go in. Here we oh my god, everything is sabotaging me today. The utensils are also getting hot. What is this? Oh, that's disgusting. Ew. Look, there's something black in my omelette. What happened there? I guess it's the pan. I probably should have washed it first. Yeah, it's the pan. Well, this is not good. Whoa. Let's try it out with a different pan. I think I'm gonna try to flip it. It's hot. Come on, it can't be that difficult. I've seen people do it. Yay. 5 seconds rule. I did it. I want to do it again now. Technically, it's not on the floor. Oh my god. Let me clean the floor. Ladies and why do I keep forgetting these burns? Okay, this is the big moment for my tiny omelette. It stuck to my pan a little bit. I guess it's not non-stick. Danny, I got a challenge you won't be able to resist. I can't right now, I'm washing the dishes. You won't be able to say no to this one. Oh, it's so good. I don't have any clean utensils right now. Okay, I guess take your time. The trick is to soak them.
Hello, how are you? I am under the water. Please help me.
Oh my god, I flooded the kitchen. It's better than setting it on fire. Okay, listen, challenge time. I like challenges. I know. Are you gonna make me make cheesecake? No. Pickles? No. Bread? You're getting closer. Can you make waffles? Oh, I got a mini waffle maker. Bet you didn't see that coming. No, there is no way I saw this coming. No, it's not like I bought. No. I'm in a state of shock right now. Listen, I'm only going to accept your challenge if you accept my challenge. Okay, this is taking an unexpected turn. What do we do? Accept the challenge? Decline? Pretend I didn't hear her? I don't know. Dun 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 dun. So, I think I'm gonna accept the challenge. Yeah, let's go with A. We're both going to suffer. It can't be that bad. Come on, what it is? What do you want me to do? I'm gonna try to make some tiny waffles, but you're gonna try to make a real size waffle, but blindfolded. Oh. Oh, I really needed this. And this. I'm gonna need my olive oil. It's better to use butter, I think. I'm just gonna use what is easier to use. Okay, now here is where it gets a little difficult, you know? I'm very scared. Follow the worm. My waffle maker should be somewhere here. I don't hear it sizzling. I probably missed the target.
Nailed it.
Oh, I think that's too much. Okay, maybe I'm gonna add a little more somewhere here.
This is the worst.
And now, I'm waiting. There's nothing else I can do. My job is done here. Now it's up to my waffle maker. Don't make me sad. What is she doing? Don't make me cry. Yeah, I heard that singing to your food helps it cook better. I don't know if it's true. Should I flip it? I think it's time to flip it. Ooh, I'm blinded by the lights. Okay, let's flip it. Everything is so hot except for me. I feel miserable. Dun 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 dun. Let's crack it open, see what's inside there. Destroy it. Well, that's not good. Okay, maybe I should try opening it. Wow, it's a little hot. Let me hear how it sizzles. I'll be able to tell you if it's ready. Well, I can't tell you if it's ready. I only know that it doesn't smell like burn, so that's a good sign, I think. I don't know. I got that summertime sadness. Summertime sadness. Are we at the dentist office? Is there a dentist with us in the room? As if it is, I kinda wanna run. It's time to crack it open. Listen, my plan is just to stab it and hope it will stick to the fork, so... okay. Oh. Oh. Oh, I did it! Whee! Let me turn off the waffle maker. Oh, look at my mini waffle. Oh, it's so adorable. Or maybe I can make one more. Sure, why not? Oh my god. I mean, on the other side, it's kind of disappointing. It's just raw. But on this side, it's so good. Follow the warmth. Why I don't hear it sizzling? This is so confusing. Let's find out if it's crunchy. Maybe a little bit. It's not bad. That should be enough.
No!
It's a little raw inside. You didn't see that. Well, you know what they say. I don't know. Third time is a charm. And who are they, by the way? I don't think we should trust them. We don't even know them. I think my waffle is ready. It doesn't sizzle, so I think it's ready. Where is my waffle? I think I didn't bake anything. Oh, I'm gonna look for you, waffle. Square by square, I swear I'm gonna find you. I think I didn't put any of the mixture in the waffle maker. Oh. Ow, that really hurt. This time I'm gonna make the best waffle that you've ever seen. This time I'm not failing. Should I put a little more? I'm gonna put a little more, but I'm gonna do it like this. So I make sure that at least some of the mixture ends up in the waffle maker. Oh my god, I can actually... oh, I can feel it. Here, take some more. I don't think that you're ready to see this. Everyone, check out my waffle. I can't see it. It is so perfect. Look at it. Where's my fork? Why does this keep happening? It was not even that hard. Oh, it's starting to smell like burnt. But I can't tell if it's burnt plastic or burnt waffle. Maybe it's both. It's okay. It barely needed any chewing. I could just swallow it whole. I just chewed because I'm polite. Listen guys, I'm not going for perfection, okay? Good enough is good enough for me. And this looks like a good enough. At least it looks like a waffle. Oh, I made a waffle. Hold on, let me get rid of the old waffle. You go there. We got a new one. Oh, feels like half of it is missing. Now I'm gonna make it pretty. This is going to fix everything. I made a snake. I could have done a heart. I can still try to. There we go. I'm gonna make my boyfriend take some shots before I eat it. Oh, that was a little dangerous. Oh my god, I'm so good at this. I don't mean the cooking. I mean the mess, the chaos. How did this happen? Was this the waffle I was looking for? I told you I'll find you. Well, who knew tiny food could be such a huge challenge? Definitely not me. Well, let me know what else I should cook in the tiny kitchen. And if you want to watch me struggle cooking real size food, you should check out these videos. Thank you guys so much for watching, and hopefully I'll see you in my next one. Bye! Mwah!